No, hi.
No, bye.
No, hi. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sunshine Kirsty and this is my son, Alfie. Alfie's 16 months old. Today we're filming what we eat in a day as predominantly plant-based vegans, but it's easy to switch these recipes to vegetarian too. Let's get started with breakfast. Alfie is very, very hungry. For breakfast, we always start with some fruit. He loves apple, thinly sliced apple, pear, cute pear. This pear's gorgeous. And my love, your favourite, this is why it comes first. Yeah, banana, absolutely, banana, right? We're gonna get this on his little plate. We do one fruit at a time. Sorry, this is gonna be a bit toddlerish. We do one fruit at a time because Alfie, yeah, your nana, my love. Alfie likes one thing at a time. Okay, let's get that ready. So we're gonna get some apple ready now. Thinly sliced apple for Mr. Alfie. We eat this breakfast every single day. He loves banana. It's absolutely gorgeous. And think of all the nutrition, all the vitamins, all the minerals, all the antioxidants in the apples, pears and bananas that we're starting the day on. And he loves it. He genuinely loves it. Good boy. For me. Thank you. I've got mine here, they're gorgeous. Are you ready for your pear now, Mr. Loveheart? Yeah, pear? While Alfie's happily eating his pear, let's get our drinks made. So I like to drink a lemon water in the morning. So refreshing to start your day with lemon water, and it's full of goodness and antioxidants. Oh, so nice. It feels like it's cleaning your body. It's great. Honestly, I haven't tried Alfie on lemon water yet. He currently likes a little bit of very, very diluted Robinsons and baby water. Juice gorgeous? That's banana. Got all of it. While Alfie is on with banana, let's make our oats pot up. It's not gonna have much time to soak, but that doesn't really matter. So in my oats pot, I make them up ahead of time because as you can see with Toddler, you have to. In here we've got oats, chia seeds, raw cacao to make it chocolatey, pea protein, and this week we have a little desiccated coconut as well. Makes it really nice. So that's high protein and full of good nutrition and vegan. Then we mix it in with a bit of 100% peanut butter and some oat milk. Make that nice and smooth. Makes a very high protein, very nutritious breakfast.
No.
For me. Thank you. He gets a little bit of iron. The pediatrician wanted him on iron too. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that to his morning soaked oats. He loves it. If you have a toddler or a child, let me know what they have for breakfast. If you don't find this soaked oat recipe sweet enough for you, you can always add a little maple syrup, but if you've eliminated sugar from your diet like we have, you don't need it. And while Alfie eats his soaked oats, I'm going to get our toast ready. We use wholemeal bread, of course, and toddlers love toast. So toast with some peanut butter and some almond butter, and he loves it. And that's lots of good protein and nutrition too for both of us. We both eat exactly the same all day, and I think that helps. Wow, you finished your porridge already? Good boy, yeah, we're gonna have toast now. Toast in the toaster, my love, yeah, it's in the toaster. So on our toast, because Alfie is a baby, I do put Flora on. I don't fully agree with what's in products like Flora, but I don't want him to choke on it because peanut butter can be a little sticky on their palates to swallow. The same with almond butter, and this is why with the almond butter, I mix it in with the peanut butter because almond butter is particularly claggy. No crusts, but I have 4 dogs. And at breakfast time, I like to make sure I take my daily vitamin B12 supplement so I don't forget. I imagine this transmits through my breast milk to Alfie, but you can let me know in the comments. Most nutrients do, so I hope this does too. I will have to look into something for Alfie as he gets older, but I don't plan to stop breastfeeding. He still loves to breastfeed on demand. He's a milk monster. So make sure you take your vitamin B12 if you're vegan. Lunch today is Alfie's favourite salad. It's a quinoa salad. I want to prepare the quinoa an hour ahead of time, so while Alfie naps, the quinoa is cooking. To cook quinoa perfectly, you want to get it to a boil with a lid on. As soon as it's boiling, turn it down to a very low temperature. For me, that's 2-3, just for a couple of minutes, and then turn it off. Then for the next 20 minutes, just let it sit there, absorbing the moisture, and it'll be perfect. Take the lid off, love. Excellent, well done. And stir it. Excellent.
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
No, hi. No, hi. Hi. Lunch today is Alfie's favourite salad. It's a quinoa salad. Can you see what's in it, my love? No? Okay. It's a quinoa salad with tomato, cucumber, black olives, he loves black olives, and feta cheese. And it's all mixed together into almost a paste. Time for lunch. Alfie loves quinoa, he loves all the salad, he loves black olives, and he loves the feta cheese. Since Alfie was born, I've switched to using real feta cheese. I switched first for his food and now I've switched for mine too. Real feta cheese has so much nutrition in it. It's from goat and sheep milk and it's local and it's just so nutritious. Whereas a vegan feta cheese is just processed, whatever it's processed. And we try and stay away from processed foods. So the only thing that we switch out in our vegan plant-based diet is feta cheese. My salad is an adult version of Alfie's salad. It's just not chopped quite so small. You want some more, my love? My salad is again the same. It's tomatoes, cucumbers, black olives, and capers. I love pickles for gut health. And it's feta cheese as well. And that is it. It's a really quick salad and it's our go-to salad right now. Obviously, if I eat this can be my lunch today and tomorrow. I like the nutrition of quinoa. How else do you stick your quinoa together for your toddlers if you don't use feta cheese? If you have an idea, please leave it in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please do hit the thumbs up. It really supports mine and Alfie's channel. And if you'd like to see more of our recipes, make sure you hit the subscribe and turn your notifications on to make sure you don't miss any of our videos. We'll be posting quite a lot this year because we have so many recipes to share with you. Alfie's a real foodie and hopefully as the year goes on, he'll be able to get a bit more hands-on in the kitchen. How's your salad? You like it? There you go, my love. And for dessert, Alfie's having an easy fruit pouch.
I'm falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. I'm falling in love.
And for dinner tonight, we're having a homemade starter of hummus and pita. There's your spaghetti bolognese. And then it's vegan, vegetarian, plant-based spaghetti bolognese. So in the spaghetti bolognese, we have very finely diced onions, mushrooms, and red peppers. We sauteed them with about a bulb of pre-chopped garlic. Fabulous stuff. Oh, yeah, it's the same. You can have mine too. And then for the sauce, we added 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, a carton of passata, and half a tube of double concentrate tomato puree. A tiny smidge of sugar to offset the bitterness of the tomato, the tartness, and then a little salt. And I think that's about it. Whole wheat spaghetti for both of us. His is very finely chopped up and mine's adult portion, although it looks like it's not because I've got your fork in here, my love. We'll say thank you very, very much for watching our What I Eat in a Day today. I hope you've enjoyed our video and we look forward to seeing you next time. My love, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. But first we need to say please like this video and make sure you subscribe. We will be bringing out vegan and plant-based mostly, some vegetarian too, recipes most weeks. What do we aim for? Most weeks? Every 2 weeks? Well, we'll have to see. So make sure you got your notifications turned on, make sure you subscribed and you've liked this video, and thank you very much for watching today. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Can you say like, subscribe, and bye? Bye-bye.
We're falling in